getting away. I'm going to Damon's field for a change. It's the only place I've actually been to this year. So, well, actually yes it is. I've been several times this year, and I'm jolly glad I have. Damon's on his way down. He's getting some chips. But I couldn't wait because I had some chicken I had to use up. So I'm just going to finish this off first. Oh really? Right. Your turn now, is it? Hey? Should we get you some tea now, shall we? Hey? Get Ellie some tea. I'll tell you what, don't it get dark early now? Until autumn's on its way. No, autumn's here already, Ost. You can tell winter's on its way. We've got quite a nice one here, Ost. Might give you 1 or 2 chips as well if you're lucky. You like a chip? You like to have a chip as well? Yeah, I bet you would. It's quite nice to have a chip, isn't it? You can't beat a chip. Right, there we are then. Here we are, pop pop. We're recording this time. I'm back. I finished my tea and I've just done a whole 20 minutes to camera. Nana, I didn't turn it on. Well done, Ost. Well done, mate. Damon's still here. He's got to go back lunchtime because he's got work and stuff to do. So yes, I need to recap on what I was talking about. Oh yeah, the Quest, the Oculus Quest. I've got a Go here. I've got the Oculus Go. I don't use it enough really. But, yes, the reason I'm down here this weekend was to pick up Damon's Oculus Quest, which we're buying off him, which we're buying for my lad, because he played on it the last time he was down here, which was quite some time ago, and he really enjoyed it. And he did mention he'd like to have one, so I think Damon's buying the Quest 2 or something, I think it is. And we decided that, oh yes, could we please buy your other one off you? So that's what we're doing here. Well, that's what I'm doing here, to get my lad his Christmas present. So shh, don't tell him. I think I'm going to spend another night here tonight. Like I say, Damon's got to go home, so it'll be just you and me, guys. Nobody else. It'll be just us, and that's it. It's definitely coming into winter, and it's quite chilly in here now. There's no breath, but there was when I got up. When I got up and opened the door this morning, you got the steamy breath this morning. It seems to have gone now. It is. Well, it says 10 degrees outside, but it doesn't feel like it because I've got cold feet. Cold feet. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to make another cup of tea, I think. These look yummy. They are very yummy. Cinnamon. Oh, that smells beautiful. Oh, that's nice. These are little incense towers, I think they call them. I can't remember what they call them now. Incense towers, incense triangles, whatever you want to call it. Then you blow it out like that, and that's it. There they are, look. That's like I say, that cinnamon flavour. Oh, that's lovely. lovely, lovely, lovely. I think Damon's up, so let's go and see if he's got the kettle on. Save me putting mine on. Here we are. Tea bag. Let's take that. And we'll take the hobnobs as well. Them in there. So let's go and see if he's up yet. Come on, mate. You alright? Thought, well, I better do videos. I'm here, because I don't normally. I haven't done one for ages, have I? So say hello.
Hello. Just got out bed head.
Yeah. Here we are. Got the biscuits, look.
Yeah, I just lit out on here. I pulled this out, just on my iPad there, and I had the heater going last night, and I was just watching stuff on the iPad before I went to bed.
Oh, right.
I got to bed till about 1.
Oh, no, and it was about 12 o'clock before I went to bed. 12 past.
It was so warm in here. I was like, you know, took my body warmer off and everything.
So it's nice, isn't it? When once it gets going, it's like.
I didn't look to see what the temperature went up to, but
yeah. What was mine? Can't remember.
My gas is still low.
It might be just because it's cold. Because it won't. It stops coming out the bottle at 5 degrees. So anything under 10, it'll be slightly less. You got butane, haven't you?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever had it go that low before.
Maybe the regulator's on its way out. Don't know. Hello, what have you found? Only found a bit of ball. Very nice. Very nice, isn't it? We are recording. Yes, we are. That's good. Because I did 20 minutes this morning and the bloody thing wasn't even turned on. Turns on getting out of the habit, doesn't it? Oh dear.
Overnight oats.
Oh, very nice.
Half porridge oats, half milk, and a bit of honey. Just leave it overnight. That's your breakfast for the next day.
Nice.
I'll thank Rick and Steve for that.
I think I found out why Ellie came in looking shifty this morning. Or last night. There's a nice hole over there. Little sod. I was trying to wonder why she had mud on her feet. Yeah, she would. I was going to say, I don't think these guys have seen the van inside, but they would have, wouldn't they? They'd have seen it on Rick's channel.
Rick and Dan's.
Yeah.
This is only a quick one for me. I just came down overnight. I'm off in a little while. Acting now.
Yeah.
Stop the bloody wind on a night time.
Wind.
Yeah, you get that real, you know, when you get wind.
Shut the door, it's not so bad then.
You know when you get wind right under your chest.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Makes the whole back and shoulders hurt. I get that if I don't have this.
Yeah, I find it about this. Yeah, similar with the acid for me. That's why I tend to. That's why I take the Metrazole. Luckily, I don't have to take too many as I used to. I used to be on the things every day, but I take about once a week now. Luckily.
Yeah.
Much better. Yeah, that picture come out quite nice actually.
Yeah.
I did last night with the stars and that, a long exposure one that looked quite good. If you've probably seen that already or not. Yeah, I got up in the middle of the night. Just go to the toilet and just wrapped Ellie back up in her blanket because she'd moved out of it. Wrapped her up in her sleeping bag and went to sleep. Now, I don't know what it went down to last night. I think it was about 8 degrees this morning and I got up. That's what it said on the thingy.
Yeah, I didn't look.
I sort of sat in there, opened the door up this morning. There was a bit of breath. But no, it was alright, not too bad. I had the heater on for a little bit. Oh, there's Barney up there, look. You've seen Barney? I'll show you Barney. Oh. Was he Barney 2, isn't it?
Barney 2.
Barney 2, look.
Had him made specially.
Oh, look, bless him.
A friend of mine called Cass made him.
Yeah, he's sweet. Isn't he? I like the hair, it's cool.
Needs a brush.
Yeah.
Like Barney always used to.
Yeah, we miss old Barney 1. Bless him.
Is that his mate?
Yeah. You still say to her now, go see Barney? Ooh, yeah.
Where's Barney, Ellie? Where's Barney? Where's Barney? Go see Barney.
She's looking for him now. Silly fucker. He didn't come down quite so much in the later years, though, did he? Because it got too cold for him, really.
Yeah.
Like a few years back, he used to come down here. He was down here every time he was down here, but
He came on all camping places, didn't he? Went to East Snore and
yeah.
Ashen Plains and yeah.
Did you take him to Eastern?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't remember.
Yeah. I got a time lapse of me putting that safari room up
Yeah, that's
in
right.
his wandering range.
Oh. That's it, a bit like furniture.
Remember when I put him in Nina on the evening because it was quite cold. And then we were
Vaguely.
sat outside and he started howling.
Vaguely.
Yeah.
Vaguely. You just get used to having them there, don't you? It's like her. I don't. Hello! I don't think there's any. Whoops, my red.
No.
I don't. I mean, there wouldn't have been any camps I've been on without her. But there, I always take you everywhere, don't I? I always take you everywhere. Nowhere you haven't been. So, I think it was Tarn didn't used to have to go places because I never had Tarn in there. I didn't have Tarn in Salmon. Only in the Scudo. Of course, the Scudo when she got when her arthritis got quite bad and she couldn't move so well, she wasn't very comfortable in the van. She was just you could hear her whimpering where her arthritis was bad and she couldn't get comfy. So then I used to end up going out without her and leaving her home because it was more comfy for her then.
Same with Barney.
Yeah. So you sort of
We
missed her
don't normally
then.
go camping when it's wet. Usually, don't we?
Well, yeah. I mean, the thing is...
With Barney, I didn't want him to get wet and then just have to like sleep like that all night.
Yeah, no.
Because he had that big shaggy coat.
Yeah.
She's better. She's got a lot shorter coat.
Yeah, I mean, dry her off and she's dry in no time. Well, the thing is with Tanya, if you used to go out and take her for a walk, she'd then be, she'd be all a bit stiff. And of course, you'd try and lie down then after, and I expect the floor's probably cold. No, she's trying to go to sleep, you know, she can't get comfy then because she can't turn around very well or anything because in the scooter there wasn't very much room in the middle, like, you know, so she had a real trouble turning around. So if she sort of went in that way, then she'd have to back up, try and turn around here backwards and then back down, which isn't really easy if you've got arthritis. So it was just easy to leave her home, bless her.
I built this with Barney really, to have a bend chair for him to get up on. When I first did the two seats, I didn't have the middle cushion.
That's right.
I had those other weird cushions, didn't I? And tried sleeping up on that one.
I'll have to try
He
them.
wasn't very comfy.
I'll have to try your weird ones. See how comfy they are.
Oh, sugar. Yeah, I forgot that.
No, I'd forgotten about them. These are really comfy.
Yeah.
These are nice. This is what I could do because the foam's gone in mine. It's just like sitting on hard. I think that's one of the reasons why me and Mrs don't like going in there because the bed's too hard. I mean, the foam, it's 3-inch foam, but where it's been laid on and sat on for so long, it's just like that now.
Wide your seat?
Same as this.
2 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should find yourself some of these.
Should do, shouldn't I? Yeah, because I only need 3. Because you've got the 2 and then the toilet at that end.
Yeah, get yourself a set of these.
Yeah, because it's only the bottom ones really. The back piece is alright because they're foam bits folded over, so you've got like a double bolster piece.
If you got the set, you'd have the backs anyway.
Yeah, you would. That's right.
Yeah. There was a set up in Worcester recently.
I've still got the material to even recover them. If I bought something else, I'd recover them. I only need the foam really. Actually, no, I wouldn't, would I? Because they're probably not.
No, you're better off just buying ready-made caravan ones because they're just better.
Yeah. Windy Millers now, look. Wind's picking up. Damon's off now. He's off. He's got to go back to work or do whatever he's got to do. And me and Ellie are going to stay here a bit longer. Because it's a good thing to do. Right, let's say goodbye to our mate. Goodbye, our mate. Goodbye, our mate. So we'll say goodbye to our mate.
Alright. Yeah, just a quickie this weekend.
Yeah. Good to see you, mate.
No worries, enjoy the rest of the weekend, yeah?
I will do that.
All I need is you. It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. I can't control it. My eyes are wide open. It's calling me.
I'm using the Hero 4 again, and you know what? I've really missed it. What a damn good camera. Brilliant. But the batteries are rubbish, so better put it on charge.
It's calling me
What a lovely afternoon I've had. I've really enjoyed it this afternoon. And I haven't put my teeth in once. I'm on the Guinness now. I had one Guinness yesterday, last night, and I've just decided to have another one. And I've got 2 left for this evening. So yeah, it's very nice. Looking forward to that. Yes, I've come to realise that I've really missed using the Hero 4, because I know the audio is very good on the Hero 4. and the picture quality is pretty good as well. So what do you think? I have got the Hero 7 here. Obviously there's no image stabilization on the Hero 4, so you've got to have it in a gimbal. But, yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm quite pleased with it. I like this camera. I always did, actually. The only reason I had to buy this one was because the USB port on the side of the camera snapped, which somebody very kindly repaired for me, so thank you very much, mate, if you're watching. Very much appreciated, because that probably would have cost me an absolute arm and a leg, but he very kindly did that for me, so thank you. So I think I owe it to him just to start using it again, really, because I do like it, and you don't get all the glitchy problems that you have with these. When they went over to these, I think probably from the Hero 5 onwards, I think, wasn't it? The 6, the 7 and the 8, they all have issues where they freeze up and that. I know these have got the image stabilization in, which is fantastic. It's really good, but the image quality still, I personally don't think it's quite as sharp as the Hero 4. I still prefer the 4 even now, even though this is 4K. The Hero 4 only goes to 2.7. It doesn't, or does it? Does it do 4K? I don't think it does. Oh, it may do, but it might only be in slow-mo or something. I can't remember now. Hello, you. You've come to bring us your ball, have you? Hey? Ellie's been playing very nicely with her ball this afternoon, haven't you, Ellie? Where's it gone? Oh, it's disappeared. Never mind. Oh, here she comes. Here she is. Back again. Can you see her? Might be able to. Here, I'll just put you down there. Move you over a bit. There you go. Can you see her? Here she is. Ain't you bored, do you? You are. Dippy. Yes, the batteries aren't very good on this one either. They don't last long at all now. Yes, it's flashing, so we could die at any moment. Yeah. Morning. How we doing? I'll put my teeth in for the finale. Yeah, Sunday morning. I had a nice play yesterday. I enjoyed it yesterday. I did absolutely nothing. I just basically walked around the field taking photographs and shooting B-roll and stuff like that, and it was very enjoyable. I really enjoyed it. Yes, got to do what I call got to do the walk of shame now. Got to walk round and pick up the dog poo. So come with me if you like. Haven't we? Got to do that, haven't we? Hey? Ellie's all wet, look. See, Ellie's all soggy because she's been out already. She's been out and had a run round this morning, and she's all wet. Ah, beautiful. You know what I love about here? It's when you get up in the morning, all you can hear is the birds' song. It's lovely. It's so nice. Oh, it's blooming lovely. I've got a smelly one of those little cones going in there to make a nice smell. To get a nice smell on the way home. Yes. Sam is due an MOT, so I've got to book that in this week. Book that in, and hopefully she'll go through. Hopefully she will. I don't think she's I don't think she needs anything else. I've got to change the oil and everything. I've done a few little jobs on her, so hopefully she's okay. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to do the walk of shame, and yeah, that's it. So love and light, guys. Have a great rest of the day, and me and Ellie, see you next one.